Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell for more videos. And my returnees, thank you for always clicking on my video. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much and I love you all. Today we are going to be unboxing my new blender. I'm so excited to open this my new blender because I've been wishing to have this my blender since December. Since December, the one I saw was not exactly like this, but this is what I was really looking for. I love this so much. I love it because it's just 5 in 1. 5 in 1. Not that I don't have it before, but this one is just another different type entirely. This one I can use it to do all those milkshake. I can use it to do fragola, strawberry is fragola anyway. I can use it to do a lot of things, guys. Let's get into this video and see what we have here. I ordered it 3 days ago and it came today. Oh my god, it was so fast. It was so fast to come. I ordered it for Amazon. You are the best. I love you. The way you guys deliver is awesome. The way you guys deliver is very nice, and I love the way you guys. Your service is wonderful. So guys, let's open this together. See, this is the carton. I went to pick it up. This is the carton. Can you see what is there? It's 5 in 1. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what is inside. Let's unbox it together, guys. Let's unbox it together, guys. Wow, I've been wishing to have it since December. So at the end of the day, I got it. So this summertime, I really do a lot of smoking. Okay. Wow, this is how it came. You see it. Everything is well packed. So let's bring the first one out. Wow. This is the first thing here. Oh my god. This is the first one. Let's see what we have. Let's open it. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. I love it. Wow, let me remove this thing now. And we have another one here. This is another one we have here. Wow. Oh my god, we have a lot of things here, guys. Let's see what is. This one is another one here, and you can put it. See, another different type. Okay, here we have another one as well. This one is the machine. Oh my god, guys. This is really awesome, guys. This is perfect. Wow. This is perfect. Do you see that? Oh my god. Okay, the one I bring out is before. The first one I bring out, you can fix it here and everything will just, let's see. Yes. Oh my god, you see that? This is really beautiful. Oh my god, wow. And you cover it. Awesome. Wow, wow, wow. This is really, really nice, guys. I love it. Wow. So let's remove this one and fix the other one, because we have it 5 in 1. Okay guys, 5 in 1. Now we'll be fixing this as well. You see it? Wow. You see it? This one is another one. You fix it. Wow. See it? This is number 2. I remove this now. And I will be fixing another one as well. Let's bring up another one. We have another one here. Yeah. Look at what we have here. This one can grind, dry like melon, ogbolo soup. You can use this. You can use it to grill fish, pepper. Oh my god, this is why I said I love this. I love it so much. You see, you also fix it here. You see, here. Right, this is really, really beautiful. I love it. And then remove this one, then I will be showing you the other one. Okay. I'll be showing you the other one of it. Awesome. Wow, wow, wow. Okay guys, now I will be removing this because this one is another thing. Then we have the smallest, the second one here, which is the third one. We also put it inside here. You want to blend something that is not so much, just fix it here. And also put it here, the same thing like the way I did the other one. This one is more, yes. Good, guys. I love it. I can't wait to try it, guys. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god. So I remove this one now, and we have also the smallest one as well. Here we have the smallest, sorry guys, here we have the smallest one, which is, I will put it inside as well here. Here. Okay, then the same thing like others. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, guys, look at. What do you see? Oh my god. What do you see, guys? Let me work it very well. I'm so happy. Wow. What do you see, guys? Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, this cannot lock. What happened? Let me fix it well, guys. I'm trying to lock it. It's like I'm not fixing it well, very well. Okay guys, the last thing now I'm going to be showing you guys. Let's see the other one. Okay guys, this is the many things that we have here. This is cover. You know, if you finish, you can also use it to cover it. Here is the cover of this, and here is the cover of this. You see that, guys? And this one you can also use when you need to match something, even inside this, or In this one, you can do so. Wow, this is so nice, guys. If you want to use this one as well, you can also use the small one. Very simple. Wow, thank you so much. Voila! See all the things here, guys. I'm really happy to have you. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and see you for my next video. Bye bye. Wow.